Welcome back guys to another video in this system design tutorial series, and today's topic is based on load balancing. What is basically the work of a load balancer is it evenly distributes the incoming traffic from the users among the web server. That is, when the number of requests is highly increased, then it becomes difficult for a single server to maintain all the requests properly. So what's the solution to this is we use a load balancer in between the user and the web server. This diagram is taken from the book Alexu, the system design interview by Alexu. So coming directly to the diagram, in this diagram we are using a load server between the user and the servers, and you can see that the users are connected via public IP to the load balancer. That is, the users are requesting via the load balancer using a public IP address. Whereas for better security, the web server and the load balancer is interacting among themselves via a private IP address. Sounds really good. Now focusing that how the load balancer is working efficiently here. The load balancer here is added, as well as a new server is added here. Adding these two things is really helping us a lot by improving the availability of the web tier, and also it is solving the no failover issue. This is how it is solving it, that whenever the server 1 is going offline, all the traffic will be routed to server 2. This prevents the website from going offline. We will also add a new healthy web server to the server pool to balance the load. That is, if more servers are required to balance it, then we can add it easily. Also, there is another point to keep in mind, that if the website traffic is growing rapidly with time and two servers are not enough to handle the traffic, the load balancer can handle this problem gracefully. You only need to add more servers to the web server pool, and load balancer automatically starts to sending requests to them. Now this current design looks really great. I think everything is possibly maintained here, that is the availability part, but you can see that the current design has only one database, and this database does not support failover activities and redundancy too. So the next technique that we will be discussing is database replication to address these problems. So I hope you guys have learned few things from this video. Please like, share this video so that it reaches to more people, and this tutorial series I will be making as much informative as possible. Thanks, and keep watching the tutorial videos. Thank you guys.